Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use where clause to filter data. Here we have four practices. The first one, write a query to display the last name and department number for employee number 176. So again, if you don't memorize the columns in the employees table, we can just click on the plus sign here, and here we go. We want to display the last name, so select last underscore name, department number, which is department underscore ID from table employees, and here we want to filter and retain only employee number 176, where employee underscore ID equal 176. Run this select statement here. So there is only one employee where the employee ID is 176. The name is Taylor and the department ID is 80. In the second practice, write a query to display all columns of only country name India from countries table. So we want to retain all columns from table countries, and we want to filter only where country name India, where country underscore name equal India. So here, as we learned before, searching on string or searching on characters inside the database is case sensitive. Putting India small letter is different than capital letter, is different than capital I and other characters small letter. So if you try to run this select statement, it retains nothing. But if you replace small I with capital I here and run it again, so as you can see, it retains one record. The country ID is IN, the country name is India, and the region ID is 3. But if you replace capital I with a small I, as we saw, it retains nothing. So you have to use the same case when searching on characters or strings inside the database. Otherwise, it will retain nothing. In the third practice here, write a query to display location ID, street address, and city of location number 1000. So we have here table locations. Table locations stores information about the location ID, the street address, the city, the state, province, the country ID, and so on. So we want here to display the location ID. Select location underscore ID, street address, city from table locations, where location underscore ID equal 1000. So we want to display the location ID, the street address, city of location number 1000. Highlight the select statement and click run. Here we go. So this is the location ID 1000, this is the street address, and this is the city, which is in this case Roma. The last practice here, write a query to display department ID, department name, manager ID of department name marketing. So we want to display the department ID. Select department underscore ID, the department name, the manager ID from table departments, and here we want to filter the output where department name equal marketing. So again here, if you try to run this select statement, it retains nothing, because searching on characters in the database or in the tables, you have to provide the same case. So marketing stored capital M, so here you have to provide capital M. Run the statement again, and here we go. So as we can see, marketing is capital M. So if you put marketing small m here, the query will return nothing. So here, this is the department ID is 20, the department name is marketing, and the manager ID of this department is 201. So in this practice, we learn how to filter the output by using where clause. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.